Hi, I'm Eric, and I'm an ICI sales agent coming to you from the Colony. Behind me is one of our newest floor plans called the Emma. It's over 2,400 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a flex room. This home normally comes with a 2-car garage, but as you can see, we've added a 3rd car here. It's a great home, has an office inside. Like I said, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This will have brick pavers out front as well. But one of the additions we added to this home was that 3rd bay for your golf cart garage, or if you have kids that are driving, perfect spot for them there as well. The home is under construction, so come on in. You can see you have a great front porch here, just a massive area. As we come inside, I hope you can tell, but we have 2 trays that are sitting right here in the foyer. This is usually a flex room. We framed this down, and this will have barn doors on it for an office. As we come on inside, we have a bedroom up front with a full bathroom right here. It's kind of hard to see. And as we come on inside, another large tray in the gathering room. You can see we're going to have 12-foot of sliders that are going to come out to our lanai. The owner suite is through these studs. So you have the owner suite here, full bathroom area. So I told you it's a 4-bedroom, I've showed you 2 of them. We still have 2 more bedrooms up front here that have a Jack and Jill bathroom that's with the 2 of them. As you can see, this is the kitchen area, a large breakfast nook, a lot of windows, let a lot of natural light come into this home. This home does sit on the preserve that's behind it. Yes, you can put a pool back here. We also pre-plumbing it for an outdoor kitchen as well. So come on out, it's 2,450 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a 3-car garage and an office. And let myself or my partner, who's my wife, Kelly, sell you this home. Gotta go, bye.